Welcome to the Night Club, guys. It's your host, the Night Wrencher. I'm actually in the middle of filming another video, but a question actually just came up on my mobile app asking if you can weld with a generator. And for that, I say maybe, but at the same time, the answer is yes. And I'm going to go ahead and explain that. So right now, I'm welding a couple pieces of 16 gauge steel. The welder that I'm using is a Yes Welder MIG 205DS. It's very popular right now. Everybody seems to like this welder. And here are the settings right now for when I'm welding with 16 gauge. And if you guys can see, there is an extension cord here, and it's running all the way down this way. And if we follow that extension cord, you guys can see that it actually ends up in a generator. So this is a Harbor Freight Predator 3500 generator. This is an inverter generator, which means it actually produces clean voltage versus a more traditional generator that actually produces dirty voltage. And the difference is that inverter generators play very well with electronics. Like I mentioned, we are using the Yes Welder 205, and that is an inverter style welder, so you're producing a cleaner voltage when you're welding versus an old style welder that is using just standard AC, and it tends to pulse a lot more. I've got another generator right here. This one's actually made by Pulsar or Home Depot. This has a larger 420cc engine. This was a 10,000 watt generator, and I say was because this doesn't work anymore. This is not an inverter style generator, and while I was welding with it, something happened and it just completely destroyed the generator. The generator, as soon as it's under load, it completely shuts off, stops producing voltage. So my recommendation is that if you're planning to weld with the generator, make sure it's an inverter style generator, and if you're planning to weld with the welder, make sure it's an inverter style welder. I have a video on a couple budget welders that you guys can buy, and they're all inverter style, and I'll leave that in the link above. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Night Wrencher out.